Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how to create a quick summaries with pivot tables. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the pivot tables for this from this data set where I got the products, the region, and the sales. So I got several sales for regions. Like for North, I got several North sales here under the North region. Same thing goes with the South region. I got several South region here with different numbers or values of sales. Okay, same thing with the West and the East region. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a total. I'm gonna make a summary out of this sales, and I got different kinds of products that I'm selling under this region. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create the pivot pivot table to create the summary. So the thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the insert under the ribbon, and then I'm gonna click the pivot tables, and the pivot tables I'm gonna create is coming from the table range. This range of the table that I got here. So I'm gonna click this. So automatic the range is being selected. So I got this range here right now here. Now there are two ways that you create or you're gonna place the pivot tables. You're gonna place it in the new worksheet or you're gonna place it in the existing worksheet. So as for me, I'm gonna place this in the existing worksheet, and then the location is the cell where I'm gonna put this pivot tables. So I'm gonna put it right here in under the column E, right there. Then I'm gonna click OK. So the pivot table field list appeared here in the right side, on the right side. So there are I only have three headers in my data set. I got product, region, and sales. So in order for me to be able to create the summary, I'm gonna make this product be placed in the rows, in this box in the rows. Then I'm gonna for the values, I'm gonna click the sales, and then I'm gonna drag it here in the values, and this will get the sum of sales, okay, per product under the rows. Okay, so I got it right here right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it bigger so that you can see it clearly. So I'm gonna click to 26 is okay. Alright, so I got the I'm gonna adjust this column. Alright, so I got all the products here. This is coming from this data set. Okay, this data set is a long list of products with some same description of the products, and also same region, like there are several north, several south, east, and west. But I put it as summary here. So like for example, in the airflow meter, I got a total of 470,630, and the auto start, because there are several of these products in the dataset. Cabin filter total of 310,000, cam follower with a total of 502,000. Okay, this is for the products, right? And I got a grand total of 8.39 for 8,394,405. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna include the region. I want the region to be to be compared. So I'm gonna have a comparison between regions sales. So I'm gonna click this region. Okay, I'm gonna click this region. Then I'm gonna drag it here in the columns. I'm gonna put it in the column. There you have it. You can close this field list. Okay, there you have it. You got the east region, north, south, west, and then the grand total per products. Okay, like airflow meter, you got 57,000, 89,000, 57,000, 266,000 in the under the west region. Okay, so across the region, several different sales value for different products. Right? So it's easy for us to analyze the sales having this summary. Okay, in the bottom, you can also see the grand total per region. On the right side, this is grand total per product, and then this is the overall total, 8,394,405. But per region, I got grand total as well, 2,153,000, 1,997,000, 1,966,000. So the biggest sales belongs to the west region, okay, with 2.2 million, right? And the next region, highest region is 2.1 million under the west region, under this east region rather. So it should, the biggest sales is coming from the east and the west region. Okay, so you can analyze that. You can also analyze per product, which one has the biggest product. Okay, so I'm gonna click this, I'm gonna select this. So in terms of the count, you can see the count as 21 count, 21 products, right, and then 8.3 million 94,405. Then the average sale is 399,000. Okay, let me check the maximum. Okay, the biggest sales, I'm gonna use the max. All right, then open parenthesis, then I'm gonna select all this products, grand total, enter. So 569,000. Which one is this? This is the one. The timing gear having 569,000. Alright? So it's easy for us to analyze because we already have all the data here in this pivot table. Okay? And to get the field list back, all you have to do is just right click, then show field list. Okay, there you have it. So if you want to interchange this, like the product, you want to put this in a column, and in the region you want to put it in the rows. Okay, so this is how it looks when you interchange. The rows is in now in the rather the region is on the rows, under the rows, and the products is under the columns. So this is how it looks. So you can see now the total, grand total for each product. Alright, so as I have counted it earlier, 21 products total, right? So okay, the total per products, and then you also have the grand total here, 8.394 million. Alright, so it's easy for us to analyze the sales that we got for each region and the sales for each products and the grand total. Okay, by having the pivot tables. So that's it for today's exercise. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next one.